Kia ora, I'm Diane Kenwright, an experienced eye pathologist from Wellington, New Zealand. I've run this eye course since 1993. That's 32 years. I believe learning should be fun, collaborative, with no stupid questions.
We believe in evidence-based effective learning strategies. I'm also a pathologist, and I've been working closely with ophthalmologists to report eye pathology for the past 20 years in Sydney, Singapore, and now Auckland. I've been co-teaching this course for 6 years.
Our course trainees come from all over Australasia. They're represented by the yellow pins, Brisbane in the north to Dunedin in the south, Perth in the west to Tauranga in the east. I'm based in Wellington and Amanda is based in Auckland.
This is not a lecture series. We use blended learning structure where you do independent learning. You must do the prep. The face-to-face teaching starts on day 1. It's 4 hours of intense active learning where you participate, you ask and answer questions and interact in the breakout rooms with your peers with a tutor for guidance. The weeks between the teaching are for you to actively fill in your knowledge gaps and to do more pre-work, not for resting. We record all of the sessions, playback on demand. We issue homework to reinforce what you have learnt and to prepare you for the next session. Then what happens?
Then there's more independent learning with resources. We provide lots of resources, lots of practice MCQs, which will lead you directly into the exam. We use effective learning strategies. We use something called spaced repetition and retrieval practice, which is why you do pre-work independently. It's a scientifically proven way to increase your knowledge recall for exams. We also use elaboration and concrete examples. So we do this where you actually get to explain histopathology slides to others. In the sessions, we use social and collaborative learning in pairs in breakout rooms in a technique called pair share. Let's explain.
There will be histopathology images in your exam, but trainees often have challenges interpreting these images. Therefore, this method called pair share is using digital online slides. 2 trainees, Dana and Nathan, are in a Zoom breakout room. They have different roles, like a motorsport rally. Dana is the driver. She has the digital slide open and is sharing her screen and driving the slide. Her partner, Nathan, he's the navigator. He does most of the talking and looking up things online and in the textbook. Together, they think aloud and they share ideas. A tutor will drop into your breakout room and help guide you. Next up is a video showing how Diane and I explain a digital slide using the pair share question and answer technique.
Mainly spindled.
Right, so what prognostic feature should I look for next, Amanda?
Other prognostic factors I would like to look at, has it spread anywhere else? And has it invaded Brooks membrane? And I would look for mitoses, mitotic count. That's another thing.
No, I can't see this spread through the sclera at all. And there are some cells here extending into the ciliary body, as you said. They're quite heavily pigmented, and I know they're not macrophages because they've got the nucleoli in them. They look like tumor cells.
So that would be a poor prognostic factor. Has it got any pigment, glaucoma, that sort of thing?
All right. So here I can see the angles open. I can see that there is some pigment, but I can't see any tumor cells in there. So I think this is just macrophages coming and chomping it up. So
Diane, why is pair share good?
Pair share is really effective. It's productive. We get faster answers and quality. People make fewer errors, but it gives you confidence. It's really enjoyable, and you come out feeling satisfied that you've learned things properly. You don't just have to believe us. You can look at the previous registrars from previous years. So let's have a look at the comments that they've made about the course. There is a theme here. All right, let's think about it. The theme, Do the pre-reading. Make sure that you are working between sessions. Do the homework. Prepare in advance.
What about other years? That was just 2021.
Here's 2024. Yep, do a lot of study beforehand. Go through all the slides. Do the slides prior to coming. Do your homework. It's the way that you will learn most effectively.
What feedback have we got from our previous course participants?
They think it's amazing. They really enjoy it. They think it's the best course they've done everywhere. And that's because we concentrate on social and collaborative aspects of learning. It's a very effective novel teaching style.
Now, we use a Google Classroom. Can you explain what that is, Diane?
I can. I've made a short video.
Thanks.
When you come to the Google Classroom, it will take you to the stream. But where you really want to be is the classwork. This will list exactly what you need to do to prepare for each session and also contain other useful material. For example, condensed notes from Robbins. Who needs to read all of Robbins? And practice MCQs. Remember, keep up with the classwork by going to classwork and not to stream. We're looking forward to seeing you soon.